Picture this. You're in a custody hearing and someone hits play on a playlist you made 2 years ago. Suddenly, those late-night party songs are being used to question your parenting. Then they pull up a geotagged photo from an Eagles game and say it proves you weren't where you said you were that weekend. Welcome to Danny's Den. Today, we'll talk about how playlists, DMs, tagged photos, and ticket receipts can end up shaping relationship and family law stories, and what you can do about it.
So what counts as evidence?
You'd think it's only paper or sworn statements, but no. Courts and opposing parties pull playlists, DMs, screenshots, ticket purchases, even photo metadata. A receipt for 2 tickets, a saved thread, a timestamp on a photo. Each one can sew together a timeline that someone else will try to read in the worst possible way. Look, playlists can be read 2 ways. If your shared playlist is nothing but party tracks, someone could try to spin that. But here's the catch. You might have been listening late at night, after the kids were asleep. Totally different picture. Direct messages are stickier. Screenshots travel. Pulling one line out of a long thread loses the lead-up, the joke, the context. And remember, messages on third-party platforms can sometimes be accessed through legal processes. So assume DMs aren't private forever. Photos carry metadata, time, place, device info, and that stuff can be extracted. That tagged group photo from the stadium? Fun to share, yes, but it can also be used to contradict a statement about where you were on a specific date. And ticket purchases are brutally straightforward. A charge for 2 Yankees tickets is hard to waive off unless you documented why you bought them or who actually used them. So what do you do about dating and new partners when everything's traceable? Start with boundaries. You don't have to overshare DMs. Ask people not to publicly tag you or the kids without permission. It's both a courtesy and a smart privacy move. If you're introducing someone to your kids, agree ahead of time on what gets posted. Say, I'd rather wait before posting pictures with the kids. Simple, respectful, and it prevents surprises down the road. And if you suspect litigation might be coming, don't delete. Deleting can create its own problems. Preservation keeps options open and avoids the negative inferences courts can draw. Do this first. Preserve before you purge. Export or screenshot conversations with the dates visible.
Save original photo files, not just the cropped social post.
Keep ticket receipts and make a quick time-stamped note. Who was there? Why you were there? Whether the kids were present. From a family law lens, judges look for patterns and credible context. One song or one photo rarely tells the whole story, but a misleading piece of evidence can muddy things. That's why records that show routine, calendars, consistent pickup logs, quick notes about conversations matter. Sports fans, think routines. If you're the parent who always takes the kids to the Eagles game, that pattern becomes part of your parenting story. Shared calendars, dated photos showing who was there, and short confirmation texts help confirm the routine when someone questions it. Quick example. A picture at a Yankees game, plus the ticket receipt, and a text confirming plans. That combo tells a clearer story than the photo alone. Routines plus records equal credibility. Music matters too. Playlists and concert memories are part of our stories. A 90s R&B slow jam or an early 2000s hip-hop track can mean something in a relationship. Keep playlists that reflect family time or make a short note about why a track matters. It humanizes you if anyone digs into your digital life. Recap. 3 quick things to do today. 1. Preserve before you purge. 2. Set sharing boundaries with co-parents and new partners. 3. Document context, receipts, calendar entries, short notes about who and why. A final note. This is general information, not personalized legal advice. If you're in a dispute, talk to an attorney before deleting anything or making big public moves. And if this topic brings up stress, reach out to a friend or a professional. You're not alone. Subscribe to Danny's Den. Let's chat. Check the show notes for episode resources, a sample preservation checklist, and how to book a consultation if you need one. Thanks for listening.